Will now be recorded.
Yes, sir.
Super, super. What happened about Python class? Huh? People can't able to talk to me.
Sir, I kept talking to you, but you couldn't hear me. I don't know.
No, no, no,
I
no.
think
That is the
that's an issue.
that is the go-to meeting problem. Okay, no problem. So welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Now we are going to be starting with a new concept. What we are actually discussing in the previous class, I don't know. Anyway,
And
I'll open the VS Code. Then we can able to understand. CSS started, I think so. CSS. We started with CSS. It seems. Okay, let me open Visual Studio Code. I think we started with the CSS. Okay. Yeah. Previous class, there is a confusion topic. Huh? What is the loading first? Inline, internal, external, something like. Okay, fine. Let's go with a different new topic like colors and background colors. Colors and background colors. Colors and background colors. Okay. Sorry. Color and background color. Colors and background colors. Okay. So here, let me go. Okay. Basically, color is text color. Color is text color. Background color is BG color of the element. Background color is BG color of element. BG color of element. Okay, very good. Now, what are the kind of colors? We can provide with the name. We can provide with RGB function. We can provide with hex value. We can provide with the hex value. We can provide with HSA value. There are multiple things. There are multiple things. Okay. When I say name, what are the color names? Some names, please provide me. Color with name. Tell me names. Some names, guys. Color names.
red, blue, green.
Hmm. Only red, blue, green. Any other colors? Okay. Red is one. Green is one. And blue is one. And yellow is one. White is one. Any other colors? Purple is one. Purple, pink, maroon. Some names. Whenever you want to define the color and background color, you can define with a name. That is okay. Then second one is very important. Mostly people will use RGBs in the real time. What is this RGB is? What is this RGB is? Red, green, blue combination. RGB nothing but R nothing but red, G nothing but green, B nothing but blue. RGB combination. Okay. So in this particular function, I need to provide the red value. I need to provide the blue value, green value. I need to provide the R value. I need to provide the blue value also. Red, green, blue values we need to provide. Okay. How we can provide this? Every value, even red, 0 to 255 in the range of number. Okay, green also 0 to 255. Again, blue also 0 to 255 in the range. This is the number range. This is the number range for the red, green, blue. Don't give 256. 256 will not work out. 256 will not work out. 0 to 255 red value. 0 to 255 green value. 0 to 255 blue value. That is a kind of opacity. That is a kind of opacity you have to provide. Okay, let me say RGB of 255 comma 255 comma 255. Imagine what is the color for this? Anybody? Imagine what is the color for this? RGB of 255, 255, 255. Imagine. For example, if I mix red color, green color, blue color in the same level, what is the output of this color? Imagine. No imagination, huh? It will go to white. It will go to white. Okay. RGB of okay 0, comma 0, comma 0. Now you people can imagine this. What is the number? What is the color?
Black, sir.
Exactly. Exactly. Super. Black. Okay. RGB of if I give 255 comma 0 comma 0. Imagine this number. Imagine this color. Only full red. Red only. Okay. RGB of 0 comma 255 comma 0. Imagine this number.
Green.
It's green. Yes. Next. RGB of 0 comma 0 comma 255. Imagine this number. This color. It's blue. It's blue. Okay. Manasa, now you tell me what is the color of this? What is the color of this? You can't say, na? What is the name of this color? What is the name of this color? Anybody can say?
I don't know, sir.
We can't say. We can't say. We can't say. Okay. Google will say, na? Let me take this. Keep in the Google. Ask Google. What is the color of this? What is the color of this? Something like a little bit blue. Something like a little bit blue extra. Why? Because of I'm giving a number bigger, na? I'm giving a number bigger. Okay. Let me give 23, 45, 12. Let me give this number. Ask Google. Oh, Google, please tell me what is the number of this color. Something like different. You can't able to expect it. Can you see? RGB of 23, 45, 12. That is the color. That is the color you can able to see. Okay. Let me go. Let me go to the programs. How these colors and all will okay. We can check in Google. I don't know actually. We can check in Google. Ask Google. Ask Google only. We don't know about the color. There is no name for the color. Okay. Hex value. What is the X value then? Hash. Hash. After hash, you have to give the characters and numbers, sir. Characters and numbers. If you want, you can give 6. If you want, you can give 3 also. But combination of this X value is something like characters and numbers. Either it is 6 values, either it is 3 values. Okay. Now tell me, what is the hash of FF? What is the hash of this? What is the value of this? Anybody can tell. Imagine. All F's. Manasa, you can tell this.
White.
This is white. Okay. Hash of 00000. Oh, what is this color? Anybody can tell. Black. Okay. Hash of FF0000. What is this color? Imagine. I just leave for your imagination.
Red, sir.
Exactly. Red. Hash 00FF00. Imagine. RGB green. It is green. It is green. Okay. Let's have the hash value of 0000FF. What is the color? Yes. RGB blue.
Blue.
This is blue color. Okay. HSA, not HSA, HSL. Hue, saturation, lightness. Hue, saturation, lightness. Lightness. This is something like different combination. This is the different combination, something like a degrees and all. HSL is something like a degrees and all. You can see here. Yeah, HSL is there now. 98 degrees, 58 degrees, 11 degrees. HSV, hue saturation vector, and CMYK. There is a different kind of combinations, but mostly people will use RGBs or hex values in the real time. Mostly people will use RGBs or hex values in the real time. Okay, so some company is there. Based on the company rules and regulations, they have some documentation. They need to go for the different combination. They need to go for the different kind of thing. They have some document. Based on the document, you have to follow. They have to. We have to follow based on the document only. Okay, they have some rules and regulations. They have some color codes. They have some combinations. We have to follow the same. Okay, let it be. Let me go to the program. Colors and BG colors. BG colors dot HTML. Okay, let me give the title for this: colors and BG colors. Colors and BG colors. BG nothing but background, huh? Okay, let's have some heading. Welcome to Mohansh. Welcome to Mohansh. That is what actually I want. How to apply this color and background color? Manasa, tell me. H1. H1. For H1, I want to apply the color attribute. Attribute called color. I can give the name. Yeah, you can pick up the name from here. You can pick up the name from here. Web is giving some names. Web is giving some names. You can give the name. You can give the name. Whatever the name you want, you can give. Whatever the name you want, you can give. Okay. Is it work or not? Okay. Background color. If I am giving the background color black, is it work or not? Open live server. Yes, it is working. Color is working. Background color is working. One more thing I want to do: set external and center. Yeah. Now you can see it is working or not. Background color is some black color and color is some brown color. Okay. Let me do with. Let me do only change color. Even background color also same. Color with RGB. Let me give the RGB function. Now it is asking me 3 parameters. When I go with the RGB, it is asking me 3 parameters. We need to give the 3 parameters or not? Red, how much you want? From 0 to 255. Red, how much you want? Okay, red I want 45. Green, how much you want? Green, how much you want? I want to go for 1 255, na? 233. Okay, blue, how much you want? Blue, I want 0. Blue, I want 0. Okay. What is the color this? What is the color of this element? Not saved, huh? Not saved. Save it. Can you see? What is the color you got? Color got updated. Color got updated. Color got updated with RGB. Color got updated with RGB function. Okay, super. Okay, I want to update the color one more time. Color hash value I want to give now. Hash 00. No. FF 00 FF. FF 0000. Okay, what is the color now?
Red.
Sir, semicolon mandatory, sir. CSS semicolon is mandatory. Okay, now it may be red. Yeah, it is red. It is red only. It is red only. Color is red only. Why? Because I am giving FF00FF. Okay, this is very good. Colors are working. Same time, background colors also work in the same way. Colors are working. Background color also you can able to change. If you want, you can change it. If you want, you can change it. Okay, let me change the background color of this element. Background color with hex value or hash value, whatever you want, or RGB value, RGB, RGB function. Background color, I want to go for 0, 255 and 0. That could be blue. Sorry, that could be green. Huh? Okay, no problem. That could be green. Save the program. Save the program. Hmm. That could be green. Sir, I'm actually giving the example for the only H1, sir. You can apply for any element. You can go for paragraphs, you can go for forms, you can go for list items, you can go for images. Any element you take, any element you take in HTML, the same format, color and background color. How you want to apply, that is the important thing. That is the important thing. Okay. Am I clear, guys? Next, I want to go for the one more important thing, font styles, font properties. Font properties. Okay, what are the different kind of font properties we have? The one is font family, font hyphen family. One is font hyphen family. One more is font hyphen size. One more is font hyphen weight. Font hyphen weight. WEIGHT. Yeah. Font weight. Yeah, one more important property. Font hyphen style. Font hyphen style. Font family is one thing. Font size is one thing. Font weight is one thing. Font style is one thing. These are the four important properties you have to remember. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, save the document. Save the document. I will share all the notes and content today. Yesterday network is not there. Full rain here. There is no power. There is no internet. Today I will share all the notes. I hope all the people shared your email IDs. Today I will share all the notes for you. Gagan, Manasa, Rohit, Uday. Okay, let me take the font properties now. Font properties. Font properties.html. Let's go. Okay, font properties. Okay, I have the paragraph. Let me take a paragraph here. Okay, lorem, lorem. Okay, and again I'm taking lorem. I want to take more content actually. Okay, can you see the content? How the content will be happening with? This is my font. This is browser default. This is browser default. Okay, so on top of this I want to apply a different kind of styles. Okay, let me apply font properties. Let me write down the style. Wherever you want, you can write down the style. After HTML you can write, in the head part you can write, in the body part you can write, wherever you want you can write. It's not an issue. Okay, access the paragraph. Font family. First of all, I want to give the family. Okay, font family. Whatever the family you want, you can give it. That is not an issue. You can give Ardhana, you can give Serif, you can give Inherit. Let me go. Lucida. Lucida font. Let me go Lucida font. Font is changed or not? Font changed?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Or I want to go with I want to go with cursive. Cursive undi. Cursive. Cursive. Let me go cursive font. Let me go cursive font. Okay. This is something like cursive font. Don't know what is this. Okay. This is font family actually. You can give any font family for this. Okay. Then font weight. Font weight. There are some numbers. Bolder, lighter, normal, inherit, initial. Inherit is something like it is taking from the super element. Initial nothing but browser default. Inherit is nothing but super element. What is the super element of the paragraph? What is the parent of the paragraph? Anybody tell me what is the parent of the paragraph? Manasa, what is the parent of the paragraph?
I don't know, sir.
Body, amma. Body. Body is the parent of the paragraph. Now, paragraph is a child. Paragraph is the subset of the body. Na? Who is the parent of the paragraph here? Parent or super element. What is the super element of the paragraph? Body. If you apply some style for the body, that will be there for inherit. That will be there for the inherit. For example, let me tell you. Okay, let me give body. Here I am taking body. Body have some font weight. Okay, body have some font weight. Font weight bold. Body, I am telling to the body font weight bold. If I am telling to the body font weight bold, paragraph is taking the bold from the parent. Who is the parent of the paragraph here is body. Why? Because P is available in the body only. Na? P is available in the body or not? Okay, let me do one thing. If you people are confused, I will do one thing. I will take a division. I will take a division. Okay, division. Okay. Now, who is the parent of the P? Now you tell me who is the parent of the P? Now you people can tell who is the parent of the P. Rohit, Uday, Manasa. Who is the parent of the P now? Division is the
Asian.
parent. Division is the parent. Body is the grandparent. Division is the parent. Body is the grandparent. Think like that. It is a tree structure. It is a tree structure. Paragraph is available inside the division. Division is the parent of the P. Now, if I am applying font weight bold for the division, if I apply font weight bold for the division, automatically it is inheriting. When I say font weight inherit, now I say inherit. When I say inherit, what it can do? Inheriting from the parent. Do you know what is the inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but parent-child architecture. Grandmother, grandfather, then child, then son. Oh my God, you people are still confusing. I don't know. Okay, this is the paragraph. Paragraph is inheriting font weight from the parent. Who is the parent of the inheritance of this paragraph? Paragraph have the parent called a division. Division already having the font weight bold. Now obviously this is bold. Is bold or not?
Yes,
Bold or
sir.
not? This is bold. But I said what? I said what? Inherit. I said what? Inherit. I did not say bold. I did not say bold for the paragraph. But I said bold for the division. I said bold for the division. Okay. It is actually inheriting. It is actually inheriting from the parent. Am I clear now? Am I clear now? Font weight. Font weight. Very, very important. Bold is there. Normal is there. Bolder is there. And you can give the numbers also. Okay, let's go. Font family, font weight, and one more thing. Font style. Let me go to the font style. Let me go to the italic. Italic is there, normal is there, oblique is there. You can check. Inherit initial nothing but browser default. Initial nothing but browser default. What is the browser default? Browser default is normal, no bold. Okay, let me say italic. If I say italic, it is italic mode or not? Style got changed. Font style got changed. Italic mode. I tag in HTML. I tag in HTML.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Let me go. One more property pending. Uh, font family, font size. Let me go. Font size. Font size. Oh my God, this is the very important. Large is there, larger is there, medium is there, small is there, smaller is there. X large, X small, XX large, XS small. When you go to the shop, when you purchase the shirt, they are showing different kind of sizes. Okay, here also there are different kind of values you can choose, or you can give the numbers. Okay, let me give 50 pixels. Okay, font size 50 pixel. If I say font size 50 pixel, this is too much. My browser size is 100 now. My browser size is 100 now, but font size is very high. The size of the font, what you have to give. Am I clear, guys? Size of the font. You can choose the size of the font. If you want, you can give it. Okay, let me give 20. Okay, this is comfortable. This is comfortable. 20 pixel is okay for me now. The size of the font you can improve from the CSS. You can able to change from CSS. Let's go. Let's go about the text properties. Let's go about the text properties. Text properties. Text properties. There are n number of text properties which are going to be available. The one by one I will write down. Text align, text decoration, text transform, text indent, mm, line height, you can say line height, word spacing. Please note it down all these things. Hmm. Everybody using WordPad? Everybody use WordPad? Everybody know WordPad? MS Office, WordPad. You prepare your resumes now. WordPad, you know? Sir, in the WordPad, you will be having the different kind of alignments. Something like left, something like right, something like a justify, something like none. These are the attributes for this. By default, text alignment is left only. By default, text element is left only. If you want, you can make it as right. If you want, you can make it as justify. If you want, you can make it as none. Okay, decoration. What is the decoration? Text to decoration. Different kind of decorations I can provide for the text. Okay, I want to give the underline. I want to give the overline. I want to give the line through. There is one more thing, line through. Line through. I want to give none also. Transformation. How your text is transforming to? Text is transforming to lowercase. Text is transforming to lowercase. Text is transforming to uppercase. Text is transforming to capitalize or none. You can give or initial inherit. See, initial inherit everywhere available, sir. Please remember what is initial, what is inherit. I already told you. What is initial, what is inherit. I already told you. Initial nothing but what?
Browser default value.
Browser default. Inherit is what?
It inherits the value from its parent.
It inherits the style from the super element, parent element. Super element nothing but what is the top element on that? Suppose I keep a number of divisions in the division. I keep number of paragraphs in the division. Division is the parent of all these paragraphs. Division is the parent of all these paragraphs. Remember, if I say inherit, whatever the styles division is following, whatever the styles division is following, automatically those styles will be transforming to the all the childs. Childs nothing but contained paragraphs. Okay, don't confuse. These things will be available. Initial inherit available here also, and initial inherit available here also. Text indent. When you see the newspaper, there is one paragraph. For the first line, some space is actually they are giving. For the first line, they are giving some space. That is called some kind of indentation. Some kind of indentation. How much you want to provide? How much you want to give? The space for first line. Space for the first line. That is what actually indentation. Line height in the name only there. What is the line height? Line to line. I want to adjust some height. Line to line. Line to line. I want to adjust some height. I want to give some space. Okay. Line to line. Line to line space. Line to line space. Now tell me word spacing. Word to word. Word to word space. Word to word some space is going to be adjusting. That is actually word space. Okay, let me go through all these properties in one program. One is text align, text decoration, text transform, text indent, line height, word spacing. Am I clear theoretically? Now we go through practically. If I am clear theoretically, any confusion is there here? Manasa, Rohit, or Uday?
No, sir.
Okay, let me go to practically how this text decorations are going to be happening with. Okay, let me go save Control S, text decorations or text properties dot html. Text properties. This is text properties. What is the element I can take here? Better I can go with the paragraph. Na? If it is paragraph, then only the larger text will be available. Na? If it is a paragraph, then only I can able to see the larger text. Lorem. N number of times I given lorem. Okay, fine. I can see the paragraph now. Very big paragraph. Very big paragraph. What do you want to do now? The first property. What is the first property? Sorry, I go to the notes. What is the first property? Alignment. Text align. Let me go. Let me go. For paragraph, text align. What do you want? Can I go with center? If I go to the center, by default it is left basically. By default it is left. If I go to the center, is it looking good? It is looking good. No, it is not looking good basically. Okay. When I say left, no, even it is not looking good. Why? Because some spaces are there. After est, some space is there. Na? Can you see? Observe. Some spaces are there. After lorem also some space is there. Some ipsa also some space is there. Come q, after come q some space is there. I don't like it. Let me go to justify. What is the meaning of justify? adjusting the spaces. Can you see any space you find here? Any space you find in the lines? For each and every line properly adjusted with the spaces and things. Okay. Alignment, always remember, justify is more important. Justify is more important whenever you want to show the text. For example, you are working on news blog, sir. You are working on Amazon, sir. You are working on Flipkart, sir. Whenever they want to show some description, sir, you have to go with text properties like this. Remember, this is very important. Even whenever you are preparing your resume, you are writing something. What you can do? You can do in the justify mode, na? I want to show WordPad. Huh? Okay. Let me keep some text here. Let me keep some text here. Can you select all? Can you see this? Can you see, observe here? What are the 4 tabs you can able to see? One is the left, one is the center, one is the right, one is the justify. One is the justify. What is the better one? What is the better one you can go for? Justify is the better one, no? What is the better way you can able to see the text here? Justify. Justify is the better one. The same way in the CSS, you will be having the justify. Okay, fine. Next, text decoration. I want to go for underline. Let me go for underline. If I go for underline, can you see what is happening here? What is happening, Mansa? Text decoration underline I given. Text decoration underline I given. For all the text, underline is decorating, na? Underline is
Yes,
decorating, na?
sir.
Okay, let me go through the overline. Overline. What is the meaning of overline? On the top of the text. On the top of the text, some line is coming. So underline, we have the HTML tag, something like U tag, something like U tag. But overline, there is no tag, na? But CSS can do. Overline, some on top of the text, some line is coming. Okay, line through. Line through also we have the HTML tag like DEL tag, like DEL tag. Same thing we can do with the line through. What is the line through here? On the top of the text, on the top of the text, one line is coming. That is actually line through. Okay, what I say? I don't like it. I don't like it. All these things. I can say none. I can say none. When I say none, none means what? Don't go for any decoration. Don't go for any decoration. This is okay. Don't go for any decoration. Alignment okay. Justify okay. But decoration I don't want. Okay. Don't keep any decoration. But if it is needed in the real time, you can apply it. If it is needed in the real time, you can apply it. Okay. Next, text transform. Hmm. Capitalization. What is the meaning of capitalization? Each and every word, first letter is capital letter. Each and every word, first letter is capital word, capital letter. That is actually capitalization. Every word you see, first letter is capital or not? What is the meaning of word? Anybody tell me? What is the meaning of word? Combination of characters. Combination of characters. Okay, each and every word, I get the capital letter or not? That is called capitalization. Okay, okay, I can go with the lowercase. If I go with the lowercase, all the text in the lowercase, all the text in the lowercase, all the text in the lowercase. Kumar, Manasa, Rohit, Uday, please understand it. All the text in the lowercase. Okay, let me go for uppercase. If I go to the uppercase, what is happening? All the characters are actually taking a uppercase. What is the meaning of capitalization again? What is the meaning of capitalization? What is the meaning of capitalize here? Tell me, sir, what is the meaning of capitalization? Manasa, Rohit, first letter of each and every word is capital letter. First letter of each and every word is a capital letter. That is called capitalization. Okay, fine. That's it. I don't want to do anything. None. I can keep none. None means what? Whatever the default text is available, that default text is showing that. Wherever capital letters are available, go with the capital letters. Wherever the small letters are available, go with the small letters. That's it. Next, one more important property. Text indent. I told you, text indentation. Indent. Okay. First line in the paragraph, I want to adjust some space. First line in the paragraph, I want to adjust some space. Can you see some space got taken before the lorem? Before the lorem, here my mouse is moving here. Before the lorem, some space is taking na? Before the
Yes,
lorem, some
sir.
space is, that is called indentation. That is called indentation. Let me give 160 pixel. Let me give 160 pixel. It taken more. It taken more. Sir, how much indentation you want, you can provide it. That is also follow the documentation of the company. Company will give you documentation. Company, if the project is coming from different kind of real estate or social media, whatever it may be, they will give you some recommendations. You have to follow the recommendations. Okay, let me give -20. Sir, negative numbers also work. Negative numbers also work for the indentation. I will show you. Negative numbers also work for the indentation. Where is the lorem, sir? Where is the lorem, sir? Manasa, where is the lorem? It is actually lorem ipsum, right? Where is the lorem? Lorem L is not visible now. Why? Because
It's minus.
I am giving the negative number for the indentation. So indentation negative number also will work out. Okay, I don't want to give like this. Okay, let me keep 120 pixel. Okay, that's fine. Next, one more property, line height. Okay, what is the line height? Between the line to line, I want to adjust some space. Line to line, I want to adjust some. Can you see the paragraph now? Previously, the paragraph is different. Now the paragraph is different. Line to line, some space is adjusting. Line to line, some space is adjusting. That is a property called line height. Oh my God, I don't want to do this. Line height, I don't want to give it. Just make it none. Okay, word spacing. What to word, some space is going to be adjusting, sir. What to word, some space is going to be adjusting. Okay, let me give it. Nonsense. This is not good. This is not good, na? Word to word, some space is adjusting, and this is not seeing good. If you want, you can give. If in the real time, if you want, you can give. Okay, I just give the none value for this. Sir, these are the text properties. Text related properties. Text alignment, text decoration, text transformation, text indent, line height, word spacing. Tell me, Manasa, tell me what are the alignments you can do? We can give left, we can give right, we can give center, we can give justify,
Justified.
we can give initial, we can give inherit, we can give none also. These are the important things. Okay, let me keep the comment for this. Let me keep the comment for this. The attributes I want to give the comment. Okay, sorry. Yeah, comment. Okay, decoration, text decoration, underline. I can able to give underline. I can able to give overline. I can able to give line through, line hyphen through. Okay, I can able to give none also. I can able to give none, or I can able to give initial, or I can able to give inherit. Okay, I just want to give the comments for this. Please go ahead. Go ahead with this. Practice with this. Transformation. Tell me transformation, Masa. Uppercase.
Capitalize.
Oh, wait. Uppercase, lowercase. Yeah, capitalize. Right. You are right. Capitalize or none or initial or inherit. Hmm. Right. These are the properties for the transformation. Indentation. Indentation just go with the pixels. Indentation just give the pixels. Line height you can give the pixels. Word spacing you can go for the pixels. That's it. These are the alignment. These are the text properties. Okay, let me go to the font properties one more time. Font family. Font family. Whatever the family you want to give. Okay, inherit. Okay, this is also in the pixels. Font to family. Font weight na. Font weight bold, bolder, light, lighter, lighter, initial, inherit. Okay, you can use these things. Okay, there are number of values you can able to see. You can able to apply this. Font style. Tell me font styles. You can say none. You can say italic. Italic. You can say cursive. There is something like font style. What are the different font styles we can have?
Times Roman.
No. Style. I want italic, normal, oblique. Italic, normal, oblique, inheritential. Italic, normal, oblique. Okay. Italic, normal, oblique. Okay. There are number of things you can able to see that. And size you can apply with the pixels. Size you can apply with the pixels. Okay. Let me save. Okay. These are the font properties and these are the text properties. Just practice. Today we discussed a lot of things. What we discussed today? Colors and background colors. Colors and background colors you can provide with the name. You can provide with the RGB. You can provide with the hex value. You can provide with the HSL value. You can provide with some other CMYK format. Then font properties, font family, font size, font weight, font style, text properties. क्या हुआ रे? Text decoration, text transformation, text indent, line height, word spacing. These are the 4 properties. I clearly explained in the programs all these text properties, font properties, and colors and background colors. Please do practice. Okay, work out your HTML. Whatever the HTML we learned so far, work out the HTML with the text properties and font properties today, and colors and background colors today. Just you feel like you are doing something. You feel like you are doing something. Manasa, we already done some HTML, na? On top of the HTML tags, you apply the colors, background colors, text properties, and font properties also. You can see, feel like
Okay, sir.
your black and white movie changing to something with the colors and background colors, with the changing of font styles, or changing of text styles and all. Okay, go ahead with this, and let's have the tomorrow session. I want to discuss about very important concept about selectors. different kind of selectors we have. Those we will discuss in the next session tomorrow. Okay, so very soon we have to close the CSS and we will move to the JavaScript. JavaScript is major and important engine for the browser. There we can learn React, Angular. There we can go for the Node.js. There we can go with the MongoDB. But I want end-to-end project creation. Some from scratch to end level. Scratch to end level. I want to do the project. Yes, we can do it. We can do it within 45 days, within 50 days. We can do it. Mohansh is actually giving you promise. Within 45 to 50 days, you can able to create the project. Damn sure. Okay, no need to pay money. Just enjoy it. Get the good jobs. All the best, guys. So, any questions so far? Any questions so far? Kumar, Manasa, Rohit, and Uday. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Manasa, comments. Kumar, Rohit, Uday. Please provide your comments on YouTube videos, sir. Sir, I am giving free of cost. Mohansh is going to be providing you all the different kind of sessions free of cost. Just you give some comments for the videos. That is what actually we are expecting. And share with your friends. Share with your friends and social media. I know everybody have some Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, LinkedIn accounts, different kind of accounts, na? And X accounts. X nothing but Twitter accounts also. Please post this message. If you post this message, your friends also can listen the classes. Your friends also can enjoy the classes. And on my birthday, November 2nd, I am starting Gen AI, Generative AI. Later on, I am going to be starting Agentic AI and the React JS also. I am actually thinking like on my birthday, I want to start the React also free of cost. Yeah, React have more number of opportunities actually outside. People are taking from user interfaces. React is more popular. I want to give all the React videos free of cost. 45 days. Chalo. Chalo. This year I don't compromise. This year Mohansh is not compromise. This year all the sessions are free of cost. Any questions, Rohit? Tell me please. Any questions from Kumar? Manasa?
Sir, in Wednesday, I also taking React JS. Sir, what is the difference? You're separately, you're also taking the React JS. In this session, you
Okay.
cover the few topics only.
No, not like that, Manasa. See, some people they already know some HTML and CSS. Okay, they already know something. So they are working in the .NET. 6+ years of experience they have. React separately. Okay, chalo. I will start React. I got a number of calls. People are asking React. Okay, let's start the React also with the Gen AI. But my subject is common, Manasa. Wherever I go, my subject is common. My subject, my quality is common. In the MERN stack also, I will deal the React in the same way. They are asking me separate. Okay, no issues. Let's go. I will create a new playlist in the YouTube channel. Upload the React videos separately. What is there? Even Angular. Which one is easy? Like Kumar. Kumar is asking something. Kumar, you can go for React. Kumar, you can go for React. React is having more number of opportunities, and it's which is very famous for the mobile app development also. Something like a React Native, where you can do the application development cross domain. Android and iOS. Yeah, thank you, Kumar. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Manasa, you are not giving comments in the YouTube channel. I am seeing you. Okay, I will tell you someday.
Sir, I'm commenting in my another email ID. I think the email is
Oh, okay,
Monisha.
okay, okay. Okay.
Monisha.
Just kidding, just kidding. Oh, you are doing a lot of things, huh? Monisha is giving a lot of comments. It seems.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Kumar, please, Rohit and Uday, please provide your comments, huh?
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
That's it. That's it. Okay. So have a good day. See you signing off. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone.